Today's topic is saying I don't have time. Time mas- uh, mastery and focus in the age of AI. It's easy to say I don't have time, but maybe the truth is not that we don't have time. We just don't use it well. In this talk, I'll share how I personally create time using AI tools and how I build focus in the middle of a business day. Whether you're working full time or studying as a student, these are strategies you can start using today. I used to say I don't have time all the time, but now I almost never say it. Why? Because with the right use of AI, no time practically disappears. Let me give you an example. During meetings, while others are presenting, I often have another laptop open, quietly giving instructions to AI. While I'm listening and discussing, AI is helping me with development tasks, checking for typos in teaching materials, and even rewriting explanations. By the time the meeting ends, AI has already prepared the groundwork for my next project. In the past, I did all of that separately: meetings, reviewing materials, and development. But now, with AI as another version of myself, I can multiply my productive time by 2 or even 3. AI changes the den- density of your time. The length of an hour doesn't change, but the value of that hour does. For instance, while AI drafts documents, I can focus on mentoring a teammate. While AI runs codes, I can organize slides for a next meeting. AI works in parallel so I can stay human, listening, thinking, and deciding. That's how that's how AI doesn't steal your time. It creates it. And this mindset isn't limited to work. It also transforms how you use personal time. I use my 10 minutes commute every day for reading. Just 10 minutes. But over a year, that adds up to more than 60 hours. That's almost a full work week, created from what most people ignore. The key isn't to study for long periods. It's to do it every day, even briefly. That's how you make your time richer, not longer. So, how can you start today? Here are 3 steps I recommend. 1. Let AI handle what it can. Automate repetitive or low value tasks. Focus your energy on what only you can do. 2. Stack your small moments. 10 minutes of reading or reflection each day compounds faster than you think. 3. Shorten your focus sessions. Don't chase marathon concentration. Instead, aim for deep focus in short bursts. When you combine these 3, your days become lighter but far more productive because time has already been equal for everyone. But the quality of how we use it can change infinitely. So before you say, I don't have time, ask yourself, what can I delegate to AI? What small moment can I reclaim? How can I raise the value of the next 10 minutes? The phrase "I don't have time" is really another way of saying I haven't decided how to use it yet. Time isn't something you find, it's something you create. So, starting today, let's stop making time an excuse and start making it an ally. Thank you for listening.